of souls forgiven, saved from death and hell and loss. For they know what they've been given, and the depth of sins now washed. Sin will soil my soul no longer. Mercy covers guilty men. For the Savior's blood is stronger, blood so pure He shed for them. The joy that sets my spirit soaring is that God has died for me, and I can shout with throngs adoring, holy, mighty, great is He. Sin nor sadness that can take this joy away. Even death can't end my gladness. Jesus is my hope and stay. My delight is my deliverer. Oh, what words can tell my joy. He's my strength and my Redeemer, my rejoicing evermore, forevermore. Now by grace through faith we see Him, as we run to arms unfurled, crying praise with joy exceeding, Christ has overcome the world.